Alexia Putellas is a Spanish footballer. She was born on February 4, 1994 in Mollet del Valles, Spain. She is the daughter of Joan Putellas Rota and Elise Segarra in Mollet del Valles, a municipality in the province of Barcelona. Putellas has been a supporter of FC Barcelona since her early childhood. As a child, Putellas would travel with the Peña of Mollet del Valles to watch Barcelona's matches at the Camp Nou with her father. Despite being born into a basketball-playing family, Putellas first began playing football in 2001 at 6 years old. The first club she played for was with CE Sabadell after she was enrolled through a family friend who played for the club. In 2005, Putellas spent a year in FC Barcelona's youth academy. When she was 12, Putellas joined the youth teams of RCD Espanyol, where she stayed for 4 years. As of 2021, Putellas has the fourth most all-time appearances for Barcelona and is currently their second highest all-time scorer, trailing only behind Jennifer Hermoso. She also holds the record of most appearances for Spain with 92 caps, surpassing Marta Torrejon's record of 90 caps in 2021. She is widely regarded as one of the best players in the world. On 29 November 2021, Putellas was awarded the 2021 Ballon d'Or Feminine. This was the first Ballon d'Or nomination of her career. Alexia Putellas makes history as first Spanish Ballon d'Or winner since 1960. Putellas later went on to win the UEFA Women's Player of the Year award. Since joining Barcelona, she has won 5 league titles, 6 Copas de la Reina, and 1 UEFA Women's Champions League title. In Barcelona's 2020-21 season, she played an essential role as a team, won the UEFA Women's Champions League as well as a continental treble, both for the first time in their history. Putellas studied business administration and management at the Pompeu Fabra University in Barcelona, but later took a break from studies to focus on football. On 2 November 2021, she was named the Spain Women's National Team Player of the Year. Putellas scored her first ever Champions League goal in the round of 32 of the 2014-15 UEFA Women's Champions League. On the international stage, Putellas had success with Spain's youth national teams, winning 2 UEFA Women's Under-17 Euros in 2010 and 2011 as well as finishing second place in the 2012 UEFA Women's Under-19 Euro. As well as being 2-time European champions with Spain's under-17s, Putellas was champion of Spain with the Catalan under-14, under-15 and under-17 national teams. She made her debut for Spain's senior national team in 2012 and has since featured in 3 major international competitions with the Team Spain's Women's World Cup debut in 2015 and the 2017 UEFA Women's Euro and the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup. In February 2017, Putellas was named as a candidate for the FIF Pro Women's World 11 for the first time, where she was listed amongst the towards. In 2019, Putellas was given second captaincy for the first time at Barcelona after being named as fourth captain in the previous year. In September 2021, Putellas renewed her Barcelona contract for 3 more years until 2024. On 25 September, Putellas scored one of the fastest ever hat-tricks in her club's history after she netted 3 goals in 4 minutes in her side's 8-0 thrashing of Valencia.